Hello, guys. Uh, this is a showcase of Moonly Holder Verification Bot, and it's a new feature that automatically generate rules and roles for your server. I'm gonna explain you how it's work and why it's useful. So, basically, over here, this is a real case. I'm gonna showcase. We have a new project called the Caramandos, which is upcoming. Uh, Project, not yet minted, so it's a very early stage. We have less than 100 members out there, and what I want to do over here on this server, I want to give the roles to those new members that will come to the server, so I can classify them and say, all right, this is guys holder of famous fox federation or OK bears or shark fry or whatever collection it is, so I can do some stuff later on with this. So basically, as you can see, I'm on the holder verification tab. I have selected Caramandos. I already added Moonly bot into the Caramando server, Discord server. And what I can do now, I either can go and manually um, generate the rules or conditions for the roles. For example, I say if the user hold one OK beers with any trade, give him roll OK beers. But I don't want to do this. What I want to do actually, I want to use this new feature that we launched today. It's work like that. I can automatically generate the roles, and I can select either I want to have roles by volume 24 hours. So let's say I want to have top 24 hours volume, top 50 projects out there. So let's see. So it's some projects over here. In this case, I might don't want to add all. I might want to add just you know by total volume, so I can go there and change that. So let me go volume description, descending, fetch collection. As you can see, I have 50 project by total volume descending out there. So what I can have option here, here we'll just create the rules, the condition, but I also want to auto create the roles on my Discord server, because it will be too much work to manually go and create the rule and then create a role and then match it. So look what's going to happen. I'm going to just check this mark to create role. It's going to auto suggest me some random colors, which I don't want, because in this case, I don't want to mess with my role colors out there. And I can set the default color. The default color, it can be this one, let's say, the light blue. So I'm gonna click generate. I can definitely check out some if I don't wanna have there. So for example, dig ads or whatever it is. So what I'm gonna go click generate, and it's gonna take a little bit of time to create these rules and roles on the Discord and automatically match. Look at this. So basically in just couple of clicks, I will generating tons of these top collections with the roles that I want to give to my members. I want to know who is holding what out there, so I can do some either raffles or some categorization, or maybe whitelist allocation depending on what people holds out there. I can create them manually now. I can add the new roles, new rules and roles. Maybe if this guy, if, let's say, holding five GCANs, give him GCAN Studio X5 role. So we know that this guy holds five GCANs and stuff like that. So as you can see, this was pretty easy. What I can also do, I can create a Moonly role. I'll do this later, but that is basically it. Over here, I selected the channel. I can send notification to the holders if they get this role, so they'll be mentioned. So I can select the channel roles. In this case, it's gonna be this channel, as you can see, role channel, and I can send some test message. So if I click over here, you will see that HVB whole verification bot test match was successful. It just sent this message, so it means it's gonna send there on this channel. So I think that's enough to go with. If I click save, what will happen? Bot will give a bunch of roles to a bunch of people out there. So I'm probably gonna remove some roles out there because I don't want to have some. But this is just for demonstration purpose, and I mean not just for demonstration. I really want to have this in the server, but definitely I want to also demonstrate why I'm using this. So I'm gonna click save change, and now I'm gonna wait for the bot to actually go and check and give the roles. And as you can see already, we got some guy actually got the bastard role. So if I click over here, he's a visitor, but he also have the bastard role. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait for a couple of minutes or for the next cycle for Discord bot to go and check the users so um, we can see what's going on. As you can see, Ito just got the Lily roll. He got the Blocksmith lab. So these guys, as you can see, you know that this guy is holding the Lily, Blocksmith, Elixir, Haze, Full Capital, Gcan, Tombstone. This is very useful because if you remember the old days when the upcoming projects was creating the channels for each of these projects, and then it was requiring you to go and rush there to take a screenshot of your roles of your own server to put out there. Many people was faking this out, and imagine the work that is needed for moderator or community manager to go and do all this stuff manually and check. I mean, it's a lot of unnecessary, very primitive work. So over here, even I got the Lily role, which is cool. So over here, as you can see, we have automated that process, especially that we have this ability to generate hundreds of roles, either by top volume, 24 hours, or top volume, or even the floor price, and you can automatically match without even need to go and match it manually, or you can even go and create a manual rule if you want for your project, some other collections out there. So this is what I want to show you. It's pretty useful, and as you can see, I'm using on our own project called Caramandos. It's it's gonna be really cool, and I want to see how people gonna use this in the future. So this is, if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know. I gonna shut down this video for now. Peace out.